Good evening. This is Anurag More from OEM Update, and we are at IMTEX India, Bangalore. And today with us, I have Nitin Chaudhari from Shree Rapid. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us. Can you tell us something about your product portfolio?
So, Shree Rapid Technologies is basically a 3D printing solution providing company in the Indian market. We offer various kinds of 3D printing technology like SLA, SLAs, multi-jet printing, metal printing, as well as macro SLA printing. So, we are offering all these solutions for the last 18 years in the Indian market. So, we are one of the oldest in 3D printing solution providing company in the Indian market.
And sir, any plans to launch new products?
Yeah, we are launching here in this exhibition in IMTEX Forming. We launched this Race 3D desktop SLA printer, which has got size of 220 millimeter into 220 into 350 millimeter, and this is one of the kind desktop machine with the speed of industrial printer. So you can print, you can see this polyamide PA11, PA12, as well as elastomer type of materials. You can print on this machine, and it's a very user-friendly for office environment.
And sir, what are technological development happening in your products?
So technological development is now in 3D printing technologies, the resolutions are increasing. Same time, speeds are increasing. So people want high-speed machines because 3D printing technologies are going towards manufacturing. So speeds are increasing. Then different material properties, different materials are becoming coming into the market for different applications. So these are all the development happening. Bigger size machines are coming into the market. So more and more applications are getting developed in 3D printing.
And sir, lastly, how is this IMTEX India event helping you?
Well, IMTEX exhibition is one of the main exhibition in Indian market organized by IMTM organization for machine tools. And we feel that conventional machine tool people, when they come and see these new technologies, then they can correlate and then they will slowly shift towards these 3D printing technology for manufacturing.